Bones. We all have them. They keep us standing, protect our organs, and give us shape. But skeleton is stranger than you could ever imagine. For starters, bone is stronger than steel when compared by weight. A cubic inch of bone can withstand the weight of 5 pickup trucks. And yet, it's light enough for us to run, jump, and dance. Most people think bones are lifeless like rocks, but they're alive. They're packed with cells, blood vessels, and nerves. In fact, your entire skeleton is constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Every 10 years, you essentially get a brand new skeleton. But bones also adapt to where you are. Astronauts in space can lose up to 1% of their bone mass every month because there's no gravity to put stress on them. That's why space agencies study bone health so carefully, to protect future space explorers. Here's something eerie. Bones glow under ultraviolet light. This is because of proteins that react to UV, making skeletons shine in a ghostly blue. No wonder they've become a favorite in forensic science and spooky museum displays. Bones also surprise us with extremes. The smallest bone in your body, the stapes in your ear, is just 3 millimeters long, about the size of a grain of rice. Meanwhile, your femur, the thigh bone, can support hundreds of kilos on its own. And your bones aren't just sticks for walking around. They're chemical factories. They store minerals like calcium and phosphorus, and even release hormones that influence your energy, blood sugar, and brain function. In many ways, your skeleton helps keep the rest of you alive. Remember this: they're stronger than steel, they rebuild themselves, they glow in the dark, and they secretly control parts of your body. Truly, your bones are stranger than you think. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, mini blasts.